Storm's Tech channel here, and it's finally here. The Celero5G is now here for Boost Mobile. It's available for purchase. Currently, it is out of stock right now, so that sucks. So hopefully they will get it back in stock soon. So this one recently got released to Boost Mobile, so this one is now officially available to purchase. So that's cool. So the Celero5G is on sale for $139.99. You guys will be saving $20 off of that. So the full retail price of the Celero5G is $159.99. So not too bad of the price there. So this is actually $110 cheaper than actually $120 cheaper than what the initial price was gonna be. The Celero5G was gonna be $279.99 when it first got announced by Boost Mobile and Dish. This phone was $279.99. So that's kind of cool that they dropped it down a little bit there. So this one is $160 for retail price, and the specs on here for that price are definitely worth it. So this is the Celero5G. This is Boost Mobile's first branded device here. So there is the Celero5G. You guys got your teardrop 9-3 front facing camera, earpiece on top there. You got a you do got volume keys over here. Think you do somewhere. It's kinda hard to tell. I think your power button is on the right side of the phone there. The back of the Celero5G is a triple camera system, along with which the camera flash. So it's like, and it's like this like silverish white color, so pretty nice looking color. Yeah, there's the left side there. Your micro SD card and some card slot is on the left side of the phone right here. So yeah, there is the left side, has your micro SD and some card slot. So nothing is on the left side except for your micro SD and SIM card slot. So your volume keys and power button will be on the right side of the phone. So yeah, I'll get off here. There's the right side. There's your power button. That's also your fingerprint sensor as well, I believe, and then your volume keys above that, and pretty cool wallpaper there. So yeah. So it says here, introducing the Celero5G, a device you can count on. You're getting a premium design with quad cameras, 3 in the back, 1 in the front, long-lasting power, and unstoppable 5G performance. The smartphone packs all you need to succeed, plus more. So quick specs on the Celero5G: 6.5-inch display, 16 megapixel main camera, 45 hours of talk time, 64 gigabytes of storage, and an Android 11 on board. So pretty nice. Of course, how it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick your plan, and activate online. So pretty self-explanatory there. So screen meant to be seen. Immersion is easy on the Celero5G. Idea for entertainment and productivity. I like this expensive screen. Offers brilliant views plus one-handed comfort. No compromise capture. Triple rear cameras are fit for any scenario, from epic wide views to astonishing details. Remember every event and accomplishment with a high quality camera always in your pocket. Hours of enjoyment. Work hard and play harder with power to spare. This long-lasting battery lasts for hours, so your own device activities aren't cut short. Stream, browse, share, and follow GPS all day long. Alright. Likeable selfies. Alright. Snap sensational selfies of life as you live it, and give your followers something to smile about. Solo, with furry friends, or at jaw-dropping locations. It's all sure worth it on the Celero5G. Fast, strong, stable. Future-proof connectivity is yours with the Celero5G in hand. Experience blazing fast, strong connections near and far for smooth streaming, reliable GPS, virtually instant uploads and downloads, plus more. Safeguard your phone. Tap to seamlessly lock or unlock and keep your device secure. Fingerprint access is fast and easy, plus protects your photos, messages, apps, and personal info. Styled for you. The Celero5G is the total package, offering high powered functionality wrapped in a striking body. You will love carrying and showing off this sleek, glossy device. Alright. So yeah, specs on this phone, like I said, they are really good for the price. It's $160 for a retail price, which is pretty interesting because when this phone got announced, the price was $279, so they dropped it down a little bit, so that's good. So battery is a 4,000 mAh battery, 45 hours of talk time. Battery is not removable, so do keep it in mind. You will get 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. You do have a micro SD card slot, so take advantage of that, and you get up to 2 TB of micro SD expansion. Processor in the Celero5G is a MediaTek MTK50. It's a MediaTek MTK 5GC processor, so pretty cool. It has Android 11, which is very nice. Cameras, you do get 3 in the back. You get 16 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth triple rear camera system, 8 megapixel front facing camera. You also get a flash on the back. Display is 6.517 inches HD plus V notch 60 Hz display. So this is a 720p display right here. So do keep an eye on the display. Will look decent at best. In the refresh rate, it's nothing to write home about. This is a 60 Hz refresh rate here, so your standard refresh rate there. Dimensions 6.56 inches height, 3 inches width, 0.33 inches depth. The Celero5G weighs 7.15 ounces. Your connectivity options on the Celero5G includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C, 3.5mm headphone jack, which is nice to have. And yeah, what's included in the box? Let's see. So what's included in the box is your Celero5G 15-watt charger, which is nice. Some ejection tool, USB-C charging cable, quick start guide, and you get a warranty card. So that is pretty interesting. So I'm curious to see what that looks like here. So that's the first time I've seen a Boost Mobile phone come with a warranty card. That's the first time I've seen a Boost Mobile phone come with one. So we'll see what that looks like. So yeah. If you guys ever need help with your Celero5G, learning how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, whatever, device support is a great tool to have. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah. So it's finally here. The Celero5G is finally here. It's available to be purchased. It is currently out of stock right now on Boost Mobile's website, so hopefully they'll get it back in stock soon. So for the price, you're getting a lot for this one. I think it's worth it. This is Boost Mobile's first branded smartphone. This is Boost Mobile's and this is Boost Mobile and Dish's first branded smartphone, so this is pretty cool. Phone looks very nice. Specs on here are pretty good for what it is. This is a budget phone, guys, so do keep it in mind. But the specs on here are pretty good. The main selling point is its 5G connectivity. So for $160, you're getting a pretty good deal here. It's definitely cheaper than what the price was when. It's definitely cheaper than the price it was when it was announced. Because when the Celero5G was announced, it was $279.99 for the price. And if you guys pre-ordered the Celero5G, y'all guys got a year of service included, so it's pretty cool. But that promotion is over because pre-orders are done and over with, and this phone is now available to be purchased. So for $160, I think it's worth it. Phone looks very nice too, you know. So there you guys go. The Celero5G is finally here at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.